press Sign Up button, and fill required fields. Activation link will be sent to your email. Go to your mailbox and follow activation link from email. After account activation, you will be able to use your account. Log into your new created account with username and password. Make sure you write down and remember username, because you can only recover password by username. Let's create space for NodeBB, 14 days for free. Go to Payments tab. Click Check Payments button. You will see here all payments. Go back and choose NodeBB tab. Now we will install NodeBB. Leave first input field blank for the latest NodeBB version. Choose forum name. Choose forum website admin name and password. Choose MongoDB version and password. Now we can install NodeBB. Remember to write down login and passwords, because if you forget them it's going to be a pain to recover. Installation process will take from 2 minutes to 5 minutes, depending if installation files are in cache. While installation is pending, you can check NodeBB and MongoDB status by refreshing current page. No such process telling us that NodeBB or MongoDB is not yet installed. First status change will be in MongoDB. When NodeBB status changed to running, we can check our new forum site. Let's log into our forum with previously created web admin name and password. Now we can manage our first forum.